Elon still has a lot of money. Even if Twitter revenue is down by more than 80%, he can afford to keep Twitter afloat. Can't he? There are some complications. Let's take a look at what those are. The most straightforward way to add capital to a company like Twitter is to buy shares of Twitter. Twitter could issue shares and Elon could buy them and pay for them by selling more shares of Tesla. That sounds very simple, but it isn't. Elon has co-investors. Among them are Larry Ellison and some Saudi prince. Elon has the choice of either buying Twitter shares at an artificially high price or telling his co-investors their initial investment is nearly worthless. Of course, they know this, but they don't have to admit it until a new investment round gets priced. Larry Ellison might not care, but Elon has also gotten Saudi sovereign wealth funds and wealthy individuals to invest in SpaceX. Fidelity rolled their funds from previous investments in Twitter into the deal for Elon to buy Twitter. Telling the Saudis the value of their Twitter investment has been wiped out could make them more reluctant to put more money into SpaceX, and SpaceX is going to need more money. You should expect to see a lot of self-dealing shenanigans coming up. Combining Twitter with X and the relationship with Elon's AI company, which is still flush with new investment, could obscure what's going on with co-investors' money at Twitter. Elon could lend money to Twitter without having to price an investment round, but even that would involve the current Twitter debt holders who would insist on new loans are subordinate to existing debts. Elon has, as they say, people to deal with details. This quarter isn't the last for Twitter, but recent lawsuits indicate Twitter has stiffed suppliers on over $100 million in server hardware, and breach of contract claims total hundreds of millions more. I see no prospect for Twitter revenue to meet those obligations. In some ways, a complicated structure and unknowable liabilities keeps the investors, lenders, and even plaintiffs at bay. Only Elon is allowed to see the complete picture. This means failure won't be either containable or gradual. It will probably be loud and sudden.